We are solving 4 minus 8 and 9 divided by 3. 4 minus 8 minus 4 and 9 divided by 3. Now minus 4. We look at 9 divided by 3. So equals 3. So here is hidden multiplier. So minus 4 times 3 equals minus 12. But this is wrong. Why? Because after parentheses multiplication must be done before subtraction, right? So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS or BODMAS. That means brackets first, then multiplication, division, left to right, then addition and subtraction, left to right. So 4 minus 8. Okay, so parentheses first. 9 divided by 3 equals 3, right? So now the expression becomes 4 minus 8 and times 3. So here is hidden multiply. So multiply first. So 4 minus 8 times 3 equals 24, right? So 4 minus 24 equals 20. Keep the negative sign.